Today, I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to self-service your smart station using our FlashCare maintenance kit. Now, we're going to look at replacing the credit card reader. The first step is to open the door on the back side of the kiosk. To start, we want to power down the kiosk before replacing any components in the FlashPark Smart Station. The next step in replacing your credit card reader is to disconnect the single cable at the top of the credit card reader. You can do this by using your fingernails to pry up on the connector. The next step is to use a 5/16 socket to remove the 4 nuts that are holding the credit card reader into place. All of the Smart Station kiosks come with components zip-tied to the credit card reader. So using a pair of snips or scissors, simply clip the 2 zip ties holding this audio component, it's called a ground loop isolator, away from the credit card reader, and the credit card cable is zip-tied to the unit itself. So once you have your new replacement credit card reader from your FlashCare maintenance kit, using the U-shaped bracket that hold the original reader into place, reaffix the credit card reader to the kiosk using the 4 nuts that held it into place. Using your 5/16 socket, re-tighten the nuts down to hold the credit card reader in place securely. Once your credit card reader has been firmly secured in place using the 4 nuts, reattach the single cable to the top of the unit by firmly pressing down. You'll feel it slide into place. And that's how you replace your credit card reader in your FlashPark Smart Station.